We've been concentrating more and more on the sustainability front for the last few years. Always looking for ways that we can reduce, reuse, recycle. So the scrap chips from the metal machines and the metal process is a big part of that. Very important to our foundry because we use a lot of reuse in our recipe when we make our rotors, so we want to gather as much of that chips as possible. We have a rotor recycling program with our vendors and our customers where if they send those rotors back to us, if they get a certain amount of poundage, they'll get a discount on their rotors on the aftermarket size. But we use a lot of that in our foundry when we reuse the rotors in our melting process. We always look for ways to get better and what we can do to minimize our impact on the environment. So anything that prevents going to landfill or scrap is very important.